Mi gente, how are you? Here we are checking out this property. Man, it's hot. I just showed up, broker and their client just left. 222 57th Street, I believe. My clients are on the way. This one is 220 and man, it's gonna fly off the shelf. Check this out. Once you walk in, nicely staged. It's pretty small, but look at all this. All these people came to check out this property. They're gonna review offers tomorrow. That's the AC. On a Sunday, so my clients are out here on a Saturday evening trying to put in a bid for this really nice property. It's small, it's cute, it's complete, it's move-in ready. Just ready to check it out. Boom. Give you the guys the keys. 220 on this property with so much activity. I don't know if it's gonna go with for sale. It is for sale at 220. I don't know if it's gonna be sold at 220. It's small, but it's cute. Lots of activity. This is what 220 gets you in Albuquerque in 2024.